So today we are going to look at how to set up for Java development. So in that we will be looking at how to install Java SDK, install the IntelliJ IDEA, which is the IDE we will be using to develop on Java, and we'll write our first Java program. So that's our agenda. Let's get into it. Head on to jetbrains.com IDEA download. So this link I'll be sharing in the description. And you once go there, you'll be greeted with IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. But what we require is the community edition. So this one. So just click on download. It will start. So it will start downloading. Similarly, we will need to go into Java JDK page. We will need to download the Java Development Kit. So I'll add the link in the description. Head on to oracle.com Java Technologies and go to Windows. Click on this one, and you can just download the x64 installs, the MSI, whatever you want. So I'll just go with MSI. So we will be seeing both of these downloads. First of all, let's go with the JDK 20. Let's double click on that. So next. When you're greeted with a prompt, just click on yes. And there you go. The Java Development Kit is now installed. Let's close that. Now we will go with the IntelliJ IDEA installation. We'll be greeted with the use access control command dialog. So just give me yes. And click next. So I have a previous version, so I'll just uninstall that. And then we'll be giving the new installation. Let's click on next. Just be careful on this. Just do the update variable, and the Java file should be associated with this. If you want, you can create a shortcut as well. Okay. Just give next, install. All right, now is the time you can reboot if you want. So I want to manually reboot later. It's good, give finish. Now we should be able to access IntelliJ IDEA with just typing on IntelliJ IDEA. As you can see, there's this menu. Just click on that. Do not import. So there we go. So we have this IDE where you can create a new project. Okay, so let's give a new project. Give a project name like Hello World, and click on Java, build system IntelliJ, and JDK is 20. So let's create on this. All right, there you go. So we have this first page, which is like the main class. Okay. And what you see is the boilerplate code here, which comes with the IntelliJ IDEA samples. So just use system.out.println hello and output. Okay. All right, so we don't need all of those, just get rid of them. We need the main class and the main method, which is public static void main, and take some arguments and system.out.println. So we will be looking at these in detail. So just try run this and see if we can get this output. So as you can see, we are able to get that output. So most important thing is to first install the Java Development Kit, which is the JDK, and then go on install IntelliJ IDEA, and then just create a project. Right? So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Just keep coding.